Rain check. The phrase rain check comes from the old days of baseball. Sometimes baseball games get cancelled because of bad weather, especially rain. When this happened, people with tickets would get a rain check. This was like a special ticket that allowed them to attend the game when it was rescheduled. This way, fans wouldn't lose the money they spent on their tickets. The idiom rain check means to postpone something to a later date. It's a way of saying, we can't do this right now, but let's try again another time. Example 1. Suppose your friend invites you for coffee, but you're feeling sick. You might say, "Thanks for the invite. I'm not feeling well today. Can I take a rain check?" When you say this, you're telling your friend that you'd like to meet for coffee another day when you're feeling better. Example 2. Imagine someone starts a serious conversation, but you're not in the right mood. You could say, "That sounds important. Listen, I want to give this my full attention, but I'm not in the right frame of mind right now. Can I take a rain check?" Asking for a rain check shows you care about the conversation, but need a better time to really focus. In conclusion, rain check is a convenient way of saying that you're not ready for something right now, but you're still interested. Next time you want to reschedule a hangout with a friend, use the phrase rain check to sound like a native speaker.